Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by identifying the fabric and the stitch direction so you know how much pulling it can take. Use small scissors and a seam ripper. These tools let you cut only the thread, not fibers. Once done, lay the garment flat on a hard surface under bright light and use a magnifier if needed. You want your first snip to be precise. Make a tiny cut in the middle of the loose thread to relieve tension before you pull either end. You now remove the thread, one small stitch at a time, because rushing can distort the fabric. After cutting the center, gently use a seam ripper to lift the knot and tweezers to pull out short thread bits. This prevents snagging. Once you free a few loops, work toward the seam, alternating sides so tension stays balanced. Make sure to cut any bar tacks or backstitches you encounter, and to keep fabric flat so seams stay aligned as you go. You finish by trimming stray fibers close to the surface and pressing the area with a damp cloth to relax the weave. If removing the thread weakened the seam, make a few reinforcing stitches by hand or machine to restore strength. If you find a small snag or hole, don't panic. Use a tiny dab of clear fabric glue under the snag or gently weave a needle through to realign fibers. Finally, inspect for missed bits and press again to
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.